slides.
Yeah.
Puts his feet out of his skin. Uh-oh. That's gonna be
This is an Austin Powers moment.
Oh, reach. Flip this thing around.
Yeah, he's getting some room.
Back it up. Back it up. And you're off. Woo! Back it up.
That's what he's doing. Back and forth.
Oh,
Oh.
we have a bumper cars. Oh, back it up. Oh my God, this is amazing. Yeah, how do I get one? Back it up, and here we go.
He loves this thing.
And we'll just do this all day.
Hell yeah. I'll be gone. I'll be like, yo, you're gonna have to down the hall for like 30 minutes. I believe it. He'll go and go.
Oh my God, it's so amazing. I love that he backs up.